Hey guys, what's up? I can't believe I'm about to share these insane travel tips with you. I've been exploring the world for years, and now I'm ready to spill the beans on some incredible hacks that'll totally change the way you travel forever. Are you ready for this? It's gonna be epic, let's go. Alright, let's kick things off with a total game changer. Tip number 1, always, and I mean always, pack a portable charger. Next up, tip number 2, roll your clothes instead of folding them. This is huge, guys. You'll save so much space in your luggage, it's unreal, and your clothes will have way fewer wrinkles. Tip number 3 is all about saving some serious money on flights. Use incognito mode when searching for tickets online. It's like you're outsmarting the system. Now, let's dive into some hidden gems that'll take your travels to the next level. Tip number 4. Always carry a reusable water bottle with a built-in filter. Tip number 5 is something I absolutely swear by. Learn a few key phrases in the local language. Even just, hello, thank you, and where's the bathroom can make a huge difference. Locals really appreciate the effort, and it can lead to some of the most amazing connections and experiences you've ever had. And for our final mind-blowing tip, number 6, always keep a scarf or sarong in your day bag. This versatile piece of fabric can be a lifesaver. Wow, can you believe all these amazing tips? They're gonna totally transform your travel game. Remember, the world is out there waiting for you to explore it. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime.